Good morning, students. In our previous GK class, we had done chapter 10, 11, 12. Now, I had told you all that I will be sending the explanation of these chapters later on. So, today I will be explaining how these puzzles were solved. Now, in chapter 10, I don't think there is any doubts, but in chapter 11, that is Sudoku. Now, this I will show you how to solve. Sudoku means a puzzle of 9 squares. Now, in this, what it is, this way also it is 9, this way also it is 9, that is horizontally and vertically. Now, if we talk about horizontally and vertical lines, all the digits should be coming once, and this way also all the digits will be coming once, that is from 1 to 9. Now, if I talk about these 9 squares are further divided into sub 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, in this small subdivision also there are 9 squares, that is that numbers 1 to 9 will be coming once in this sub square. So, 1, 2 and 3 sub squares. That way small 9 squares and the whole thing also is 9. Okay, so that is your Sudoku. Now, you can write these numbers yourself. I have already given the answers to you. Okay, so this is the explanation of this chapter. Those students, those who had not done the exercises earlier, they can pause the video and do the exercise now. Okay, students, I hope now you have understood the lesson number 11. Now let's go with lesson number 12. Lesson number 12, clock puzzles. Now, question number 1. It's a very simple question. You just have to add 42 minutes to each and the answer will come 519. Okay, and question number 2. Now, question number 2 is not very tough. It's just a little tricky. In this it is saying starting with the first clock and moving anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means you go back. The hour hand moves back 1 hour, 10, then 2, then 3 and so on, while the minute hand moves forward 10 minutes. Now, the hour hand will go backwards, minute hand will go forward. Now, in the first one, it will go then 1 hour, then 2 hours, then 3 hours. So, according to that, the time in the third one will come 6:35. Now, third is easy. Now, the solution to the fourth one, that's a little tricky one. Okay, now the solution to the fourth I am writing on the board. I am solving, I am showing you. Just see how you have to solve. A clock is started at noon by 10 minutes past 5. 10 minutes past 5 यानी 5:10. The hour hand has turned through. Now, in this, angle tracked by hour hand is in 12 hours 360 degree. In this, you have to tell how many degree angle you have to find out. Okay, now how you will do the calculation? 720 minutes is equal to 360 degree. 1 minute is equal to 360 upon 720 because there are 360 degrees in an angle. Then is equal to half degree. This is half degree. Then 5 hours 10 minutes is equal to 300 plus 10 minutes is equal to 310 upon 2 is equal to 155 degree. After the explanation, please pause the video and you can, if you want, you can write the solution in your book down. Now, question number 5. At 3:40, the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock form an angle of. Now, you have to tell the angle what it is forming at 3:40. Okay, how you will find out? 6 degree per minute. 40 minutes is equal to 40 into 6 is equal to 240 degree. 30 degree per hour, therefore 3 hour is equal to 30 into 3 is equal to 90 degree. Difference is 240 minus 90 is equal to 130 degree. Now students, please pause the video and you can write the solution of the fourth and the fifth in the book in the space given below. Now with this I have finished the explanation of the previous chapters. Now in today's class for your homework you will be doing lesson 13, 14 and 15 by yourself. If you have any doubts, you can call me up personally and you can ask me your doubts.